Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Steam application will not download or install properly. So in this brief tutorial I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough on how to hopefully resolve this problem. So what you want to do first is close out of any open active windows you have on your computer. So any programs, files you want to close and save out of them. Once you've done that, you want to head over to the start button and you want to left click on it one time to open it up. And you want to type in disk cleanup. And best match that comes up should say disk cleanup right above desktop app. So you want to left click on that one time to open it up. Okay guys, so on this disk cleanup screen, you want to make sure the ones that are default are checked, and then also check mark the temporary files right here. Once you've done that, click on this cleanup system files button. And then once this is done running, I'd recommend you restart your computer and then restart the Steam application as well, and then hopefully your problem should be resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.